Hello there. Welcome to Geeklish, where we learn English through the worlds we love, movies, games, and stories that inspire us. Today, we're going to do something powerful, a shadowing exercise, inspired by Star Wars and its most iconic line, "May the Force be with you." But before we begin, let me explain what shadowing is, and why it's one of the best ways to train your English speaking and listening skills. Shadowing means listening to English and repeating it immediately, trying to copy the rhythm, the pronunciation, and even the emotion of the speaker. It's like following the shadow of someone's voice. When you practice shadowing, you don't just learn words. You learn how English feels, how it moves, how it breathes. So, in this lesson, you'll listen, repeat, and feel the emotion behind the words, just like the Jedi do when they connect to the Force. Now, the practice will begin. Let's travel far, far away to a galaxy filled with stars, silence, and destiny. You're a young Jedi standing at the edge of your training temple. The morning light touches the sand. Your master, wise, calm, and kind, looks at you with pride. You're about to leave for your first mission. Your heart beats fast. You're nervous, but ready. He smiles softly and says, "May the Force be with you." You repeat after him, slowly, quietly, feeling every word. "May the Force be with you." Again. "May the Force be with you." This is not just a phrase. It's a blessing. It's a wish for strength, peace, and protection. Now we'll practice this phrase inside a small story. Each time we'll change the situation and your tone. When you say goodbye, your friend is leaving for a big challenge. You smile and say, "May the Force be with you." Calm, kind, encouraging. When you are the one leaving, you whisper it to yourself. "May the Force be with me." Soft, confident, hopeful. When you see someone afraid, you put your hand on their shoulder. "May the Force be with you." Warm, supportive. When you say it with pride, you stand tall, like a Jedi Knight. "May the Force be with you." Steady, brave. When you say it to everyone, you imagine speaking to all learners, all dreamers, all who listen. "May the Force be with you." Strong, peaceful, universal. Keep repeating. Match the rhythm of my voice. Listen, feel, and speak. May the Force be with you. May the Force be with you. May the Force be with you. Let your voice flow with the Force. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on connection. That's the secret of shadowing. Now, let's talk about the meaning of this line inside the Star Wars universe, and why it became one of the most famous sentences in movie history. In Star Wars, the Force is a kind of invisible energy that lives in all living things. It connects the galaxy, it gives power to the Jedi, and wisdom to those who use it with peace. So when a character says, "May the Force be with you," they are not just saying good luck. They are saying something deeper. May you stay strong. May you stay calm. May the universe guide you. It's like saying, "I believe in you." That's why this sentence feels so powerful, even outside of the movie, because it's not just for Jedi. It's for anyone who's about to face something important, an exam, a new job, or even learning a new language. So, may the Force be with you. Every time you study English, every time you try something new, every time you don't give up. Let's take a moment to look at the words we use today. May, used to express a wish, a hope, or permission. Force, power or energy. In Star Wars, it's a spiritual energy that connects everything. Be with means to stay with someone or to give support. You, the person we're talking to. So together, the phrase means, I hope this powerful energy stays with you. A beautiful wish, and a perfect sentence to practice shadowing. You did great today. You didn't just practice English, you practiced focus, emotion, and presence. That's the real force behind language learning. Next time, we'll explore another moment from the Star Wars universe and another way to make your English stronger. Until then, may the force be with you. Before you go, give this video a like. It helps our force grow stronger.